I think 200,000 videos, equivalent to $500.
I don't know now. It depends on the hours.
And depends on the hours.
If you have like, I'm not sure, but it's a lot. You need so much views.
Okay, yes, sir.
Let's say if you have 1 million views, 1 million views, you will get um, I think $50,000 or something. $50,000? No, no, no. 1 million views. Ano lang yun? 50,000 pesos. Yeah. 1 million views is $1,000.
$1,000, 1 million
$1,000.
every month.
Yeah, if you get that every month. So if
One
you have
million.
1 million subscribers, it's easy, right?
So you will earn $1,000 every month.
Every month, yes. It will come to your account.
So you
That's,
will invite many viewers.
yes, yes.
It's better.
Okay, now we are recording. So this is our second, officially, right? Second SketchUp class. It's our SketchUp class, but you can see the AutoCAD interface. Why? Because today we will import the AutoCAD plan into our SketchUp. Okay? But to do that, we have to be able to prepare your AutoCAD plan. Okay, so that you don't make errors in SketchUp. So you already know by now that we can bring ready-made windows and ready-made doors in in SketchUp. So actually, you don't really need to put your windows in details here. You just need to place where it will be located like this. So this is fine. And here you already know where the door is. And even if I don't put where the door is, you know that you can adjust it easily in SketchUp. So actually at this stage, this plan is ready. I can bring this to SketchUp. But if you have other elements in the CAD file, it is difficult to bring it to the SketchUp. You need only to bring in the SketchUp what you need. Okay, so now we need only this area, this plan only. So what we'll be doing is we will write a block or copy this part into another file. There's a command called write block, W. Put W, it's write block, click enter, and then select objects. We'll just select the floor plan itself. Okay? Then press enter. Then it will tell you where, it will ask you where to put your file. So it is going to my desktop, which is fine, but I don't want to put it there. I want to put it in my documents, in focus, and I will name it as export to SKP. Okay? And I'll click save. And then you say okay. Okay? So now you're ready. We can now close AutoCAD. No need to save any changes. Okay, we are now ready to import the CAD file that we have prepared in our SketchUp. So I opened my SketchUp template, millimeters as usual. And you know our friend here, what's her name? The lady.
Select.
Sumele. Huh? Remember her name. She's always there. Sumele. Okay? If you click her, you will see the name right here. In the entity info, that's her name, Sumele. Okay? Sister Sumele. So, how do we bring in the AutoCAD file? Import. Okay? Under File, we click Import, and then we go to the file that we did, which is, what's the file name? Export to SKP. Okay? And then click Import. Okay? When you import it, it will tell you the details, etc. Okay? And just click Close. Then there is your floor plan. Okay? This is done in millimeters, so it is matching our template. Okay? So now what's the next thing to do? You already know the design, so you just build out of it, right? So that's the good thing when you are, for example, you are designing in AutoCAD and you want to create it in 3D in SketchUp, you just bring in your layout so you know what to do already. Okay, this will serve as your guide, okay, in creating your house. Okay, so let's start with the wall. How do you start with a wall? There are so many ways. It can be done by phases. Let's say you can make the different elevations first and put them together, or you can extrude per floor, lift them up like that. There are so many ways. So whatever way that I'm showing now, this is just one way, and you can do your own way. As long as in the end you create your house in 3D, that's totally fine. Okay. So for now, what I will be using is I will create the shape. Okay, I'll just draw using the line, and I will just click on those corners, draw on those corners, and close. So you already have that. And then you know what's next, right? Pull it. What's the height? Say 3 meters, right? 3,000. Enter. Okay. So now you know what is the thickness of your wall. 200. So what's the next command to do? Offset, right? So we offset this face. Click this. Offset this. How much? 200. Enter. So what's the next thing to do? You already know. You want to subtract right away. We can just push. No? Okay, we push it. Click this and push this. How much? You want to leave some space for your floor, right? So let's say the floor is 150. 3,000 minus 150, how much? 2850. 2850. Enter. So there. So you know the next thing to do. Put a hole and then put your windows. We actually did some windows that cuts holes, right? Remember last time? I don't know if it's still here in my components. If it's still here, then it's good. Or actually, I can copy it from the other file. I will open my other file because you already did a window, right? Let's open what we did last time. We are batch 24 on 19th May. Yeah, this. Ah, this is the one thing with SketchUp. You cannot open two files at the same time. Okay. Otherwise, you will open a new window. You can actually open a new SketchUp window and then copy it from there and bring it here, which is what we will be doing. Okay, I'll close this for now. I'll just minimize this. Okay, I will open another session of SketchUp. It's actually okay because SketchUp is trying to minimize the size of the file that you will be working on. That's why it doesn't want two two files open at the same time. So I will open the one we did last time. This, right? Now I have two sessions. Okay. So now let's try if we can copy from one file going to the other. Click this. I will copy this. This is already a component, right? So it's good. So copy and let's see if we can paste it here on the other one. But I don't know if we are recording properly. We are not. Oh, yes, we are. Okay. So let's go back. So let's see if we can paste the window here. Oh, we have the paste option. Seems like we can, right? Oh, we can. So easy. So now later on, you know the height that it can be placed. So for now, I'll just place it just like that. So is it a good window? Does it cut the opening? It's not cutting, huh? It's supposed to cut. Anyway, later we can adjust that. No problem. We can just cut the hole on the building. Okay? So I will not go far yet. I want you to start prepare your CAD file and bring it into the AutoCAD. Okay? So that will be our first part of the video. Let's see how you do it now.